This is a short practice of Yoga Nidra, and it asks nothing of you at all. Stay where you are. Your bed, a couch, a mat. Somewhere quiet where you will not be interrupted. Lie on your back, arms away from the body, palms turning up. A pillow under the head, a cushion behind the knees. Something warm over you, because a warm body releases far more easily than a cold one. And let the eyes close. Move whatever still needs moving, so that in a moment, nothing will need to move again. Draw a slow breath in through the nose and let it go out through the mouth with a sigh. Again, in and out, letting the jaw fall loose as the air leaves. One more in, and a long, easy release. Now let the breath return to its own rhythm. You do not need to manage it anymore. Begin to notice sound, not looking for it, simply letting it arrive. Sound in the room, sound beyond the room, the soft hum underneath everything. Let the ears be wide open and unguarded, the way a still lake receives rain. Sound is not only heard, it is felt, moving through the bones of the skull, through the chest, through the length of you. Let it wash. Nothing to hold on to, nothing to figure out. Let the body go to sleep, and let the listening stay awake. Let attention rest on the face. Soften the jaw. Let the back teeth part. Let the tongue lie heavy and wide. Soften the temples. Smooth the space between the eyebrows. Let the small muscles around the eyes give up their work. With each exhale, feel the body sink one shade deeper into whatever is holding it. Shoulders releasing down, hands unfurling, belly softening, hips heavy, legs heavy, feet heavy. You do not have to hold yourself up here. earth is doing that. Feel the chest rise and empty, rise and empty, already happening without you. Now imagine the in-breath brings ease into the body, and the out-breath carries tension out of it. Breathing in ease, breathing out what you have been carrying. Whatever the day asked of you can leave now. On the exhale, now an intention. In Yoga Nidra, this is called a Sankalpa, one short sentence, present tense, as though it were already true. Use your own or borrow this one. I am relaxed and at ease. Repeat it silently 3 times, the way you would say something you actually mean. Let it sink below thinking, like a small stone dropped into deep water. Now we move awareness through the body. Nothing to picture, nothing to move. Let attention touch each place as it is named and move on. A massage for the nervous system given from the inside. Begin at the mind's eye, the center of the forehead, the roof of the mouth, the center of the throat, the small of the neck, the right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist, right thumb, second finger, third, fourth, little finger, the whole right hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, the small of the neck, the left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, left thumb, second finger, third, fourth, little finger, the whole left hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, the small of the neck, right side of the chest, left side of the chest, the sternum between them, the navel center, the lower belly, the pubic bone, the right hip, right knee, right ankle, right big toe, second toe, third, fourth, little toe, the whole right foot, ankle, knee, hip, the left hip, left knee, left ankle, left big toe, second toe, third, fourth, little toe, the whole left foot, ankle, knee, hip, the tailbone, the sacrum, the whole length of the spine, one vertebra at a time, all the way up, the back of the ribs, the shoulder blades folded like wings, the back of the skull, the crown of the head, and now the whole body at once, lying here complete, the whole body, heavy, warm, and free of tension. Rest here. Nothing to do with this time. Nowhere else you are supposed to be. Let the body sleep and let the listening stay awake. If the mind wanders, that is fine. Come back to the body and to sound. Feel how much of you is already still. Resting. This is the rest your nervous system has been waiting for. Let it take as much as it wants. Gently call the intention back. I am relaxed and at ease. 3 times silently, and let it go. begin to sense the weight of the body again, the boundary of the skin, the air on your face. Notice sound once more, coming back toward you from far away. Take a fuller breath in and let it go. Again, a little deeper, and release. Start to move the fingers, the toes, small movements, no hurry. Roll the head gently from side to side. Stretch in whatever way the body asks for. You might roll onto one side and stay there a while, curled and warm. And when you are ready, only then let the eyes open into the light of the room. Take this ease with you. It is not something you found here. It is something you already had and finally stopped interrupting. Thank you for practicing. Rest well. Namaste.